I'm from then, now,
But come to
and
think of it,
forever.
Killa, there's nobody who is really hot in dancehall who's not part of your bloodline, so to speak.
I don't even know what people call hot. All right.
Mavado, Puppy, not to mention the world boss, but Alkaline now. How is he figured in all of that? Because some say he took his style and whatever from Carter, but do you see him as part of your family, your bloodline?
No,
based on the fact that
he's a bloodline. He's stealing Cartel style. It still doesn't make him a part of our family.
Okay.
But everybody have influence in music.
Yeah.
Just like when I came out, I have influence of Shabba and Buju, and you could hear it in my music. But it never really made me a thief them style. It was just they are the dominant one in my days coming up, and that's what you're listening to. And you never intend to pattern it, but that's what playing, and that's what giving you the vibe.
Okay.
So emulation gonna be there. Or imitation, anything you want to call it, but some people don't want to admit that I heard music and like it, then make it seem like I dream and just come up with music, me alone.
The other day I was saying something, 'cause